and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Toby Wonder. I am CEO and founder of Mainstream Academy, and basically what I do on my channel is I like to give tutorials on how to do certain things online, how to make money online, and sometimes I discuss the crypto market because every now and then there's always a buzz in the crypto space. So basically this is what I do on my channel, so feel free to go through my videos and my content, and if you like them, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In this particular video that I'm doing today, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate $15 to $30 daily working from the comfort of your home. And you might actually I've come across a lot of videos that show you how to make money online and then they don't work, but this particular one I've actually taken it upon myself to back test them and make a research about them before actually coming online to give you guys this particular content. So I would indulge you to stick to the end of the video so you can get all the information I'm about to share with you about this particular opportunity. So without wasting your time, let's get straight to the business of today. So right now on my laptop screen, as you can see, I'm going to go to my tab right now and I'm going to go to a particular site called peopleperhour.com. Okay, so the website is peopleperhour.com, and I'm going to show you guys around this website. I'm going to show you guys basically how to get started, how you can navigate the website, and how you can get the kind of job that you want to get. Mind you, I'll be showing you how you can make money by via translation basically. So all you have to do is translate a couple of text files or audio files for people, and then they'll pay you per gig. It's as easy as that basically. And then sometimes I know you get carried away. You might actually feel like, okay, how do you translate a language that you do not understand? I'll show you exactly how to bypass that at the end of the video, so just make sure you stick to the end of the video so you can get all the information that you need to get started. Okay, so right now I'm on the home page, and this is what the home page looks like. Okay, so I'm going to come here to right here to the top right corner. I'm going to click on sign up. Okay, so I already have an account with this particular website, okay, because I told you guys I had to test it before I come online and give you guys details. So I already have an account, but I'm only going to take my time to show you guys how you can also get your account started, how you can get your account running. Okay, so when you click on sign up, it's going to bring you to this page, and it's going to ask you two questions basically. I want to hire a freelancer, or I want to work as a freelancer. In this case, you're going to have to select you want to work as a freelancer, and then you can come up down here to sign up with your email address. I don't recommend signing up with Facebook basically because sometimes I lose access to my Facebook and I have to create a new one. So if that happens, you basically might lose access to your dashboard basically, and then you might actually just access to a couple things that you don't want to lose. So I recommend you log in with your email address. As long as you keep access to your email address, you will always be able to log into your account at any point that you want. So on clicking sign up with your email address, it's going to bring you to this tab. You have to sign in your name, your last name, your email address, and then your password. As you can see, it's as easy as registering a Facebook account, so it's not rigid at all. You can click on sign up. Okay, but I've shown you guys exactly what the sign up page looks like. So let me log into my dashboard and show you guys how you can actually utilize this website to make reasonable amounts of money online. Okay, so let me come here right now to the top right corner and click on login. Okay, so if you click on login, it's going to show you right here. My email is already here. This is an email I just use for tutorials basically. I don't use it for anything personal, so I'm not afraid to display this email to you guys online. So okay, so I'm going to log in right now. And then on logging in, you can see it says you're almost ready to start selling. Okay, let me click on apply now, and then you see it says profile picture, job title, your skills, a little box for about you, location, your language, your currency, and all, and then you can submit your applications. Remember guys, I'm only showing you guys how to navigate this platform. I'm not exactly trying to get into the mix, so I don't take too much of your time. But if you really want to give this a shot, then you really want to do all this, you want to fill in all these boxes, okay, before you proceed. But I'm not going to I'm going to avoid this right now and just take you guys to the main deal, to how you can get these translation jobs and just kill it. Okay, so we're going to come right here to the left right corner, and then we're going to see translation right here. You're going to see right in and translation here, and then you're going to click on translation basically. So if you click on this, it's going to bring you to a page that only shows offers that has to do with translation basically. And you can see right here under this related, you will see translation right here, so you can click on translation, and then you're going to see the languages that you can actually translate to. But we don't want to get into all that because we can actually work with any language, because the tool I'll be showing you is a very common tool basically, but it can translate any language that you want. So none of these languages is a barrier for you right now in this case, so I don't think there's any point to filter your gigs according to their languages. Okay, so let's just scroll down right now and just see what is going on right here. So this is someone already using this platform. Okay, I think this person is new because he only has one review, but obviously this person has actually issued an order because now he has a review, and then he's actually translating words from English to Arabic, and from Arabic to English vice versa for $15. For $15, for 500 words basically, for $15. As you guys can see, it's no joke. And let me come here right now, let me show you. This is actually intriguing. Now you can see she's translating 500 words from English to Spanish for $20. Now she's translating 500 words from English to Spanish for $20 basically. And you can see right here, she has 5-star rating, and then she has over 994 reviews. That is a lot. You can imagine this figure. Okay, let me pull up my calculator for you guys so you can see. Let's calculate this together. 994 on an average of, let's say, times $20 is equals to a whooping $19,880. Okay, so guys, there's no joke on this platform. It's actually something that you can use. It's almost similar to Fiverr and Upwork basically, but then not so many people actually know this platform, so there's less competition and all. Okay, so let's go again. Let's see this right here. Okay, she's translating 500 words English to Spanish again for $15, and you can see the amount of reviews she has. Okay, that means she's fulfilled a lot of orders, and then people are recommending her, and then she has a 4.9-star rating. That's really nice. And then you can see someone right here doing 2,000 words for $90, guys. $90, a whooping $90, and she has over 136 orders. Okay, so guys, I'm actually introducing this site to you because I know you might not have heard of this site, but now you know. So now you should give this a shot if you're looking at making extra money online. I don't think any of these things will cost you will take your time as much as 2 hours or so to get this done. Okay, I'll show you guys how you can actually do the translation, so in case you don't know the language, you can actually work and do the translation from there. Okay, so now let's go straight to the last tool that I'll be showing you guys, which is the main tool that's going to help you guys if you're filling these orders without stress. Okay, so I'll come right here. I told you guys it's something that you already know, maybe. It's called Google Translator. So I'll come online and I'll start Google Translate. Okay, and then it's going to bring me to this page right here. You see that's easy. On the home page right now, it says English, detect language, and then English. So let's say in this box, let's put in let's say how are you for instance, and then we have this to, let's say, Spanish. It literally translates it to you from English to Spanish. Okay, so all you have to do is, when you have those gigs, all you have to do is go to those pages, copy the text and paste it here. By default, this tool is automatically going to detect the language that it is, and then you have to select which language you want to translate to, and that's how you can actually do and get a couple dollars per day, per hour, without stress, working from the comfort of your home. And then all you have to do is just do this process over and over again. So basically, guys, this is it on today's video. This is some cool way that you can actually make money online, and then I recommend you give it a try and dedicate your time to this if you really want to give it a shot. After this video, I'll probably do a couple gigs myself to see how it works, and then I'll probably give you guys a review later on. But for now, this is it, and then I think you guys should stick to the video or stick to my channel if you want to know how well I do in the review video I'll be making about this particular gig. So that marks the end of today's video, guys. So it's been a pleasure having you guys around. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe to the channel, and then we hope to serve you better. Thank you very much for sticking around. I'll see you in my next video.